Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
My baby. So I'm just
oh, okay.
Great.
Hello, everybody. We're back for the Seelbach cocktail, okay?
Seelbach.
If you saw the first episode, which you should have, we did a cocktail tasting. I mean, a cocktail.
Oh, a champagne tasting.
The champagne might be champagne.
We were toasting to the good life in the new year.
Apologies.
Okay? Period, poo.
A champagne tasting. So now we're about to get into making cocktails with the champagne, okay? And we're starting off with a heavy hitter, or at least that's what we hope it is. Okay. That is the Seelbach cocktail. And this is a cocktail that did originate from the Great Gatsby era and was rediscovered in the 90s and brought back. So, you know, we're here for it and we're gonna have some fun and try it out. So first things first, let's cover the ingredients and then we can get started.
Okay.
All right.
I want to try that though. That looks new.
Oh.
That looks new.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so a bourbon of your choice. We're gonna use Sable. Sable is a brand by Morris Chestnut and Tay Diggs, and I forgot, oh my God, I'm blanking on the other gentleman's names, but it's black owned. It's black owned. Yeah. And it's, you know, and it's quite tasty. You haven't tasted it yet. You know what? Go ahead and taste that.
Yeah.
While
you say the rest. Yeah.
Exactly. Bourbon of your choice. Cointreau. 2 types of bitters, okay? You need Peychaud bitters and you need Angostura bitters, okay? And you then need, I already mentioned the Cointreau, yes. Then you're gonna need to top it off with a brut champagne. In this case, we're doing Yellow Label, AKA Veuve Clicquot. So that's what we're gonna be topping our drink off with. So, are you ready to get started?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start off with your vessel of choice. First and foremost, this is a bougie, thank you, Harold Perrineau, Morris Chestnut.
Who's Harold? Is he foreign?
Malcolm Lee, Tay Diggs, and yeah, okay.
Malcolm Lee, I'm about to look these 2 up.
You know, think best man. Okay, thank you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You know what, I said shaker, and I don't know why I told you to get a shaker, because we're doing everything in this glass.
Oh, so it's not like we just top it off type thing?
No, because we're gonna be stirring it.
Okay, well, fair enough.
So, actually, but I want it chilled.
Okay.
You see how I'm going back and forth? Okay, so you can do this either way. We have ice cubes. We have ice cubes in here. So we're gonna chill this. But if you just wanna go ahead and get to the nitty gritty, go ahead and do it directly in your vessel of choice. Okay, so we're gonna start off with, let's see here. Really? See, you know, why is cook mode not working for me on Pinterest? Thank you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the Cointreau. You started on your side. 1/2 ounce of that. 1/2 ounce, baby.
It's a little crusty.
Oh. Been a minute. Been a minute. So go ahead and you can start with the Peychaud, 7 dashes. Okay. I'm gonna start with the Angostura. We have to do 7 dashes each of these.
I don't know what that was, but
okay.
Yeah.
And then that leaves us with our bourbon, and we're gonna do 1 ounce of this guy. Okay. So, you know, not too crazy. Well, it depends on what your definition of crazy is, but.
Let me see that thing, girl, because I think this cap is a little small. Which size was it? This one?
Yeah, 1 ounce. Okay. What happened to you? Why you didn't use your jigger? You have it over there.
I normally don't carry it, and I forgot
That's okay.
I had it. Yep.
Yeah, you know, it's the new year. Little rust. We've been on vacation. Okay? Chilling. So we're gonna go ahead and stir this vigorously until chilled. Okay, that looks about good for me. Then we will pour into our champagne flute. That's pretty. And we will top off with the Veuve. So you go ahead and top yours off.
Ladies and gentlemen, be careful because it's already liquor in it.
Put at an angle. So you,
Oh, so it can, oh yeah. Gatsby.
Yep. Oh. Yo, good save. Good job. She might have died. She almost died, but she saved it. She saved it. Jesus.
I'm fine.
Oh, woo. Okay, almost died there. Woo. Oh, shit. Okay. Woo. Okay, go ahead. Put that over there. All right. And then we're going to express an orange peel over these. They told us.
Got a little orange hue to it, you know?
Yeah. So they told us you can warm these up prior to if you feel froggy. We didn't feel froggy. Okay. That's all you need to know. All right. Do you? Okay. And that right there, friends, is Seelbach cocktail. It's very pretty.
It's orangey.
It's okay. Does it taste good? Let's find out.
Hell no!
I like this. We had the exact opposite reaction. Classic.
This is disgusting.
Ooh, I like it. Why don't, okay, you started before. My apologies. So I'll start. Okay. So I think that this is the type of drink that's meant to punch you in the gut, but try to be cute.
More like punch you in the throat.
Well, gut, throat, whatever.
Tongue. Nasty.
Okay.
Ew.
So she has opinions. All right. So personally for me, because I was worried about the Peychaud's bitters because that can get a little weird, but I actually found this to be good. I like it. There is that orange taste to it because they expressed orange peel over it, and maybe that's what I got directly. Plus the Cointreau, right, providing the citrus. I thought it was a good balance between the bourbon and the champagne. So, I mean, I'm going to give it a 7.5 to an 8 because I think it's a solid drink. That's my opinion. What you say?
This is nasty. I don't like it.
Okay.
Do not recommend.
Okay.
Make my butt itch.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
I think I'm gonna go for like a 2.
A 2?
Like if somebody gave this to me, I'll drink it because it's liquor. However, it has no form. For the girlies who like a little taste or a little sweetness to it, this ain't for you, darling. Okay?
Oh.
This ain't for you. This is for those people that can't. Let's just be honest. We are in a woke society, and that's cool. I appreciate all shapes and forms and kinds, right? However, back in the day, that wasn't the case, all right? So if you was in between, it ain't for that's for you. That's for you.
Oh.
It's not for anybody else. I honestly do not like this.
Okay.
It's like it's fruity unintentionally, but you don't taste it, and that's where the unintentional part kicks in.
Now, I would like to dissect this a little bit.
Go ahead.
What did you think of the Sable? Because you tasted that bourbon separately.
The Sable is fine. I like the Sable. I will honestly probably go get that.
Okay. So it wasn't the bourbon.
It wasn't the bourbon.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more Cointreau, maybe.
Maybe.
I forgot how Peychaud tastes by itself. I probably not as great.
Yeah, I don't want to try that again because you just said that was some bullshit.
And the Great Exhibition, it says right there. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, on the nose, wonderful.
Okay.
Citrus, orange, smell, everything. However,
Okay.
taste,
You're not into it.
I'm not getting
But it gave you the hiccups. This is unfortunate. Dear God.
Lord Jesus.
Well, listen, it would not be a Lush Talk episode without the talk part. So let's get into some things real quick while you're attempting to finish that and while I enjoy mine. Okay, let's do a quick segment of things that annoy me New Year's edition. Okay, I'll start off. New year, new me. Because what is that? Why couldn't you do the new you whenever you conceived that you needed to change?
Sounds like Denver. But go ahead, I'm listening.
I was inspired by that. I'm including everybody's suggestions.
You're right, absolutely. Honestly, I do agree with that. Why can't you start in July, right? Why can't you start in February, right? Why just because you can't start on January 1st,
Right.
Why do you have to wait a whole nother year? It's like setting yourself back.
Or how about New Year's resolutions, right? This is the reason I don't like New Year's resolutions. It's not that I don't admire something to work towards. I think that's admirable. But it's the concept of I have to start it come January 1st, and if I mess up, I'm gonna give up.
Yeah, I just don't get that. I don't get that.
I don't get that.
If I want to do it, I'm going to do it right then and there. I'm not going to wait because a day is going to tell me because I may not make it to that day, right?
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying.
So just, and the thing is that, you know, quite often one of the major goals that people have is weight loss. That's certainly one of mine, okay? It has been since last year. I managed to lose 15 to 20 pounds last year. That is an achievement. It's not where I wanted to be, okay? That's okay though, because if you talk to anyone that's really into it, what do they say? It is a lifestyle change.
It is.
So that literally means like you're not going to be achieving this necessarily over 1 year. It's really working towards it so that you just live healthier.
Right. And I want to piggyback off of that weight loss thing.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I truly feel like us Americans or people who live in the USA, because you don't have to be an American to be in the USA.
Oh, I just tasted the Peychaud.
There you go.
Okay.
I just feel that the same food that you eat if you go to another country, it's fine for you, right? Like I went on a trip to Curacao and I ate the stuff that I eat here and I was perfectly fine. No bloating, no nothing.
Right.
However, I did gain some weight. I gained some weight.
Because you have fun.
Yeah, I was living out here my best life. But when I get over here, not only did I, gain the weight, I feel it. And it makes me sick to my stomach. So I'm trying to understand why, for example, like the ingredients in a Lay's potato chips over in Mexico or in somewhere else got less ingredients than what's in USA.
Well.
I feel like USA, I love my country, to an extent. However, why do you put so many ingredients, right? I feel like you're paying more, right? I feel like the companies are paying more over here when they could be doing the same thing over there.
You know what it is?
They just want us to be fat, right?
Well, that's part of it, but a lot of the extra ingredients that you see in American products are for preservation. They want it to last on the shelves longer.
It's crazy work.
And so like I don't know if y'all have ever seen like a Twinkie and how that joint like don't
last
disintegrate, don't die. But that concept is wild to me because why is something like a Twinkie from like you could have a Twinkie from like 2010 and it's still it still looks the same.
It's crazy work.
I would never try to eat it, but I'm just like, why would it look the same? Yeah, it's crazy. It doesn't.
And you know what else is crazy? Is the fact that why are we paying all this money for these HSAs, FRAs, and
here we go.
And whatever else type stuff, we put in money aside and we can't use it for things such as, for example, gym membership. Why did I call and they find out that I can't use my money that I put to the side for my health and fitness for a gym membership? You know what they told me? They said, oh, well, you can if you get a doctor's note. So you want my doctor to tell me
so your doctor
that
has
I'm
to say
fat
that you're obese.
in order for y'all to pay for my gym membership. How does that work?
That's
Okay,
kind of
that's all of
kinda
America.
crazy.
America, we have a problem. Where's Bernie at? Because I need a couch.
Oh man,
I'm over it.
I will also include one of the cameraman's notes, which I agree on, even though I don't go to the gym anymore. New gym users, you know those new year, new me folks that are inspired to all of a sudden work out. Every time it comes to January 1st, everybody signs up for the gym. Everybody is there. And the regular people that come all year round, no matter what, they're over there, they gotta wait for the machines and everything
they don't know how to use them.
because Tammy don't know how to use the damn weight machines and stuff, and so she over here trying to figure it out, and you just over here trying to work out.
Don't know no etiquette. And why? And when you go to the gym, even without the New Year's thing, you know, people bring their little tripods and everything. Are you really doing it for the gym, or are you really doing it for the content? Just so I know, because you need to do this between a certain amount of hours at a certain point of the day. Get the fuck out of my way, Tammy, okay? Because I like to use the machine or whatever it is that I need to use, okay? You know, I'm fat, I'm trying to lose weight, and you're over here procrastinating on my shit right now, okay? Move, bitch. Get out the way, as Ludacris said. Anyways, we're going back to the Gatsby theme. I'm not going to quote any more 2000s.
But, okay, so I fear we actually, real quick, have to bring my brethren, Ludacris, to the front of the room.
Ooh, child.
Ludacris disappointed me.
Woo! What happened?
Woo!
What happened?
He has unfortunately gone the way of Snoop Dogg and Nelly. What do I mean? Performing for the MAGA people. He signed up for a little festival that's headlined by Kid Rock.
Well, he said it was a mistake.
Bullshit. I can't. Because he was definitely, and somebody pulled up where he had a Confederate flag outfit from the 2000s. And I said, my God, today. Damn it. Luda.
Lord, we losing in a good one. However, T.I. cut his dreads.
That was necessary. He was starting to look.
Rubber band man, wow, that's a Taliban. Hey.
So anyway, what I am trying to say is Ludacris disappointed me. And I'm gonna have to cut him off. Like
New year with new shit, clearly. And I honestly thought we were past 4 years, and I'm not gonna say anything else more than that. I thought somebody's term was up, but clearly somebody's time is close enough. But whatever, subliminal, take it how you want it. Don't quote me. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that part.
Godspeed.
Oh, and a Godspeed.
Amen.
Amen.
Anyway, we'll be back.
We will be back.
For more, because this ain't it, and I'm ready for some good.
Okay, so she's disappointed.
Because that's a sable. Horses in the stable.
But that's sable, not stable.
Right. Listen, I'm trying.
Okay, my bad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, okay? We'll be back.